Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Have you ever wondered how experienced traders seem to find good trades early? One way many traders learn is by watching on-chain wallet activity. Today I will show you how wallet tracking works inside trading terminals and how beginners can use it to learn from market activity. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined this Padre terminal website, you can use our referral code, which is which is being displayed on the screen, and you can also check for our referral link available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever, and it's easy to use. Okay, so let's get back to the video. What is wallet tracking? Wallet tracking means monitoring the public transactions of blockchain wallet. Because blockchains are transparent, anyone can see what tokens a wallet buys, like what token it sells and when transaction happens. So why traders watch large wallets? So that's a good question, but the answer is some wallets are known for making large or frequent trades. Watching this activity can sometimes help traders understand which tokens are getting attention and when large buyers enter the market and how trading pattern changes. So as a step one, find a wallet to track. To start tracking, you first need a wallet address. Then you can come from this can come from like analytics dashboard, public trading leaderboards, and blockchain explorer. So here's a step to add the wallet to your terminal. Many trading terminal allow you to watch specific wallet addresses. Okay, so you simply paste the wallet address into the tracking section, and the terminal will then show the transaction that wallet makes. So here's a step 3, watch transaction activity. So once the wallet is added, you can see buys token, sells token, and moves funds. So you can also check for this on this platform if you scroll down, and so yes, if you click on this wallet address, and it will show you the history of this holders. As you can see that their trade history, most profitable section, and their active position, and their tokens as well. So each and every detail you can find out from here on this section, right? So here it's important to remember that tracking wallet doesn't guarantee profitable trades. A wallet might buy for many reasons, and markets can change quickly. Use this information as research, not automatic like trading signals. Okay, so combined with other data as well, like the liquidity levels, trading volume, and price trends. So blockchain transparency make it possible to study market activity in ways traditional market often can't. So used carefully, wallet tracking can be a helpful research tool. If you want more tutorial on crypto trading tools and on-chain analysis, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.